Om Sai Ram to all you Baba followers out there. So I hope you all have been enjoying my small stories. Today I want to start with, do you all know the meaning of Sai? Though Sai Baba looked like Fakir, he had immense wealth. When I say immense wealth, money is not everything. When I say immense wealth, it also means that, the knowledge that a person has, that on its own is immense wealth, right? So, what does the name Sai mean? Basically, Sai, the first two words SA, means Sakshat, and I is nothing but God. Sakshat Bhagwan. The Sakshat Bhagwan is Sai. I don't know how many of you all have been to Shirdi, how many of you all follow him, but let me tell you one thing. You know, this man has given amazing miracles to loads of people. I still remember reading about him when first he had entered the Khandoba temple in Shirdi. That's a temple which he first entered when he had come to Shirdi, and at that time the priest of that temple had called him as Ao Sai. So it means come Sai. That was how he started, being called after that. And that's how he got his name Sai Baba. After that, Sai Baba lived in Shirdi. And starting days, initially, he used to go to the temple and he used to live in the Khandoba temple only. But when he used to live there, he used to start saying verses of the Quran in the temple, and many Hindus got very angry and they asked him to leave the temple. Later, what happened? The priest of the Khandoba temple, the Masalpati, what he did was, he took Baba to a mosque. Okay, now that's how the mosque was called Dwarka Mai, and that's how he lived his entire life in Dwarka Mai, and that is why I named my house as Dwarka Mai, because I feel Sakshat Sai Baba lives here. This is my belief. So that's how Sai Baba lived there. He used to get up in the morning, 5 o'clock. He used to, sit beside the fireplace in Dwarka Mai, and he used to always go and beg for food. He would beg for food. I think, if I'm not wrong, what I had read was he used to take from 5 houses. Okay, now see the immense beauty of this man. Out of that 5 houses, every day he would divide the food into 3 parts: one for him, second for his devotees, and third for the birds and animals. That was Sai. That was this man. He would give whatever he got to others. In this world, what we get, we keep for ourselves, but that man, he used to get from 5 houses, just keep one for him. Okay, and he used to keep 2 for the devotees and 3 for the animals and pets. And that is why, people loved him. Even any caste and creed, people follow him. He is one person whom you will, not find any caste and creed, and you will feel everyone is following him. He was a person who used to always say Sabka Malik Ek, and I also always say there is only one divine. Okay, so now I guess too much of Baba story. I said I will bring in more such short stories. Just let me know if you all liked it, because last time when somebody told me we loved hearing you speak about Baba, but when you stopped, we were upset. That's the reason now I have made it a point that every week, little what I know, because he is a man of huge knowledge. I am nothing in front of him, but whatever I know, I am sharing. Okay, now let's go to what Baba wants me to say today. When you see with your inner eye, then you realize that you are God and not different. Now you know why I really love him. Today only I said Sakshat Bhagwan, and I always also believe in Aham Brahmasmi. So he says, and I always say, people ask me, do you go to temples? I tell them no, not much. I go very rarely, and they ask me why. I tell them God is everywhere, because I don't need to go to the temple to see him. I see him within me, and I see him around me. So this is what he says. So Look at your inner eye. Today, maybe look at this image. I am bringing a close up of this image so that you can look at this image. Look at this as also Baba's eye looking at you and lighting your third eye. Look at this eye and just try to absorb the energies to your third eye, and you will feel as if from Baba's hand, from the center of his palm, there is a white light piercing inside your third eye. Do try this and let me know, because if I don't know why I am saying this, believe me, when I am saying this, I don't know why I am saying this. I feel as if Baba is asking me to tell you to do this. Do this and let me know how you felt. Then what I would do is I will bring in more channeled messages through Baba, and I will see what other way I can bring in messages through him, whatever he is asking me to give you all. So just look into this message. Imagine Baba is giving you his blessings from his hand. There's a light coming, entering your third eye, and it is blessing you. I hope you all are absorbing the energies. If not, later on also you can put the video in the pause and then also you can do it. Now coming to the next card. Look at him, pointing his hand out. What is he saying? What is this man saying? Let's see. Okay. If you do not want to part with what you have, do not lie and claim that you have nothing, but decline politely. Okay. So maybe this is a telling for us what he's saying, that do not hesitate to accept that this is what I am and this is how I am going to be, rather than cheating yourself and cheating others. So Baba is saying, be true to yourself, be true to your surroundings, and everything will fall in place. So this at the back is maybe sometimes my inner ego, sometimes things which I don't want to let go, anger which I don't want to let go. I don't see this as a material possession. I don't know why. I don't see this as a material possession at all. And I see this as things which Baba says, let go of it and be happy with what you have. Let go of the anger, let go of the impatience, let go of the hatred. But we say we have let go, we say we have forgiven, but we don't forgive people. So today, let go of someone who has hurt you. Release him or her to the nature, to the universe, and say, I forgive you. I forgive you for what you did to me. And I let you go from my life to the universe for the good of you, for the good of me, and for the good of all. So I hope you all resonated today, and I hope you all try this third eye thing which I had said. And let Baba bless you all with loads and loads of happiness and all the good things in life. Om Sai Ram.